Hey y'all, Joe here at Southern Coast Cooking. How y'all doing this afternoon? I'm gonna do a video for y'all. Oh man, it's gonna be really great. Something I've been wanting to do for a while. Kind of got inspired by a barbecue box that I got in the mail. You know, I do these barbecue box things. It was for grilled planked salmon. Let me show you. Basically, what they're talking about is doing some salmon on the grill, on the PK out there, and cooking it on a plank. Well, that involves a couple things. First off, for the grilled planks, my friends over at Cameron's wood products, have provided these alder grill planks. Alder wood, just what you want to smoke salmon on. It's going to be wonderful, dude, over the coals on the PK. They also do smoked chips, you know, for your grill or whatever, your smoker. I'm going to be using these, not in this video, but some other videos, but I'm going to use their alder wood planks. Now, I've looked all over for these. You can get these from Cameron Products. I'll put a link in the description box. And what barbecue box is thrown in, they threw in some planks too, but I'm going to use those. It's some K&M barbecue. This is some of their white barbecue sauces that goes really well with the fish, with the salmon. Also, K&M barbecue all-purpose rub and marinades we'll be using with the salmon. Now, for the salmon, I wanted to get the best salmon I could find. So I reached out with my buddy Gio over at Giovanni Seafood, Morro Bay, California, to get me some wonderful Alaskan King Salmon flown in. Beautiful fillet here that we're going to use this to cook there on the PK on those alder planks with this season for barbecue box. So y'all stick with me. I'm going to go out there and light the PK, get it going, and then we'll roll and we'll put this thing together. All right, y'all, so we got the salmon down here. Let me show you. And what I'm going to do is on the skin side, okay, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil. So we put it down the plank. All right, see how I want nice, this nice little coat of olive oil, okay? Now, with the olive oil in here, I'm going to set it down with smoked Cameron Alder Plank, and I soaked that plank in water for about 30 minutes, okay? Water or white wine would be good. All right, now what we want to do is I'll take some of this wonderful white barbecue sauce here, this K&M barbecue. Put a little bit of that on there, y'all. And this is going to give us a base. Oh, it smells delightful. I can't wait to use some of this on chicken as well. I need to come out of here. It's real thick. All right, that should be about enough. Y'all won't take much. I just want to spread that there on the fish just to give this something for the rub to stick to mostly. All right, put that little white barbecue on there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then we're going to take some of the K&M barbecue rub here and just kind of put some of that rub right on there, just like that. And we'll just set up here in the refrigerator here until the PK gets heated up. I'm going to try to heat to about 350 degrees, y'all. That's going to be the right temperature that we want to put this fish on. All right, y'all, we got the PK360 rocking and rolling here. Hit about 350 degrees. I'm going to set this wonderful alder plank right there, close it on down, and let it smoke or grill away. Now the alder plank's starting to smoke. I don't want it to catch fire, so I'm going to push it over the side a little bit. Flip, turn around. It smells wonderful in there. Oh, the plank's warped, so it's hard to push. It's to catch underneath the griddles. There we go, come on. Alright, that's nice. Keep going. That's good. Alright, y'all, it's been about 20 minutes. I think it's pretty much done. They cook there very nicely. Just take a spatula underneath there just like that. Get the whole plank off. We'll set it over here and let it rest just for a minute. It's going to be so good. Alright, y'all, it smells wonderful. I was going to get one of those finger limes and squeeze on there, but they just hadn't lasted that long. It's been about a week or two since I've had them, so I just had to throw them out. But let's try this. Oh, look at it, it's flaky. The smell is wonderful. Still smell the smokiness from the alder plank, spices and everything. Let's just give this a try of this Alaskan King Salmon. Whoop. Drop right there. Alaskan King Salmon. Make sure you don't have any little pin bones in here. Man, that is so good. Nothing like what I buy in the grocery store around here. Yeah, it's wonderfully fresh, flaky. Has a wonderful taste to it. Y'all be sure to check out that Giovanni Seafood. Get you some of this wonderful Alaskan King Salmon. And look at this Cameron Wood products. That's a really, really cool cooking plank. It gives a wonderful flavor. And of course, barbecuebox.com giving us some of these ideas. Thank y'all so much. Y'all have a good one. Check for the links in the description box where I got all the stuff. God bless y'all. Please sub my channel, like my videos.